What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the P20 Lite and Honor 7X, and you can see both the devices are in front of me. And let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The P20 Lite is having 4GB of RAM and Kiron 659 processor, and same is the case with Honor 7X. It is also having 4GB of RAM and Kiron 659 processor. So you can see right now we have a set of familiar applications in both the devices. So without any further delay, let's get started. And you can see there is no app running in the background, and both the devices are connected to the same internet connection. And we have started the stopwatch in both the devices, and we have started our first round. I usually do this speed test in two rounds. You can see the first round is to check out the speed of both the devices, and in this next round we will be just doing the RAM management test to see if all these applications are running in the background or not. And you can see right now they are almost very close to each other. Actually Honor 7X has taken the lead, and it is actually moving for faster, and P20 Lite is taking a bit time to load these set of applications. So let's see what happens. We are now on the lab set on Honor 7X, and we are here to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both the devices. And you can see we are retrieving it on 7X, and P20 Lite is also retrieving the clip, and 7X is done, and we are moving to the Amazon. So actually in the first round Honor 7X is bit faster than the P20 Lite. The P20 Lite is on the Oreo, and it is on Android 7.1.2 something. So there is a difference of the UI, and I have noticed that P20 Lite is not very well optimized. That's why it is actually performing slow. Maybe in future updates it will perform better. So let's see what happens in this speed test. And right now the Honor 7X is actually taking the clear lead in front of you, can see. So let's this first round finish, and we are on the final application, which is the Asphalt 8 on the Honor 7X, and P20 Lite is also trying to catch up, and it is also on the Asphalt 8. And let's see which device loads this game faster, and Honor 7X is done. So let's see how much time it has taken, and it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 38 seconds. So that's not a huge time taken by this device to complete the first round. So let's see what happens with the P20 Lite, how much time it has taken. And let me see it, and you can see it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 49 seconds. So in the first round there is a difference of almost 11 seconds in both the devices, and the clear winner of the first round is Honor 7X, and P20 Lite has lost the first round. Now let's move to the next round in both the devices, which is the RAM management test, and see if all the applications are running in the background or not in both the devices. This is the actual round where the core performance of the devices are checked, and you can see right now both the devices are doing great, and they have kept these applications running in the background. And let's see what happens. Actually Honor 7X is moving very fast, the animations are very fast on this device, and P20 Lite is actually a bit slower. You can see the animations are not that up to the mark. So let's see what happens. And right now all the applications are present in the background, and they are going great. So let's see what happens, who wins this final round. And Honor 7X actually has completed this next round in 2 minutes and 16 seconds, and all the applications were present in the background. Oh my gosh, that's very great results for this device. But P20 Lite completely failed in the next round, and even 4GB of RAM is not doing up to the mark with this device. So I am not really impressed by this device performance, and it is already reloading the games. You can clearly see maybe it is due to the software updates which is needs to fix this, because that's not very promising for this device. So let's see. You can see the Asphalt 8 is also loading again. So let's see how much time it has taken. Let me just reload this game, and we are moving to the clock now, and let's see how much time it has taken. And you can see it has taken a total time of 3 minutes and 8 seconds. So that's almost a difference of a minute between both the devices. So that's not great to see from P20 Lite, that it has taken a lot of time as compared to the Honor 7X. Both the devices are having the same processor, which are the Kiron processors, and there are 4GB of RAM in both the devices. But I don't know how, but Honor 7X is performing a lot better than the P20 Lite. Maybe it is on the Oreo, and it is not very well optimized. The UI needs to improve and make it stabilize. So Huawei needs to work on this device to make it better in the future. So there will be updates, I think, and I will be just doing on that updates too, if those updates are worth it. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.